Thursday's morning work. Starting off by converting quarts and pints. So we did something very similar to this yesterday. We're going to take our 16 pints and we're going to divide by 2 to get the amount of quarts. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So 8 quarts equals 16 pints. Now you're going to follow the same steps for the next one. 10 pints divided by 2 will give you the amount of quarts. This next one is different because we have quarts and gallons. We haven't done this one yet. So we take our 8 gallons and we're going to multiply times 4 to get the amount of quarts because there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. 8 times 4 equals 32. 32 quarts equals 8 gallons. For the next one, you're going to follow the same steps. Your 9 gallons and times it by 4, and that will give you the amount of quarts. Find the value of the underlined digit. The 4 is the underlined digit. What is a place that comes right after the decimal? Is it the hundredths place, the thousandths place, the tenths place? That is your job to write it down there. 7,279.21. The 2 in the hundredths place, so this 2, is blank the value of the 2 in the tenths place. So I'm going to write that is worth 200, and that's in the tenths place, and so that's worth 0.2. You need to figure out how much larger is this 200 than that 2 tenths. Conversions again. King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. So we're going from kilograms to grams. So we are starting from here, the K, and we're going to grams. A gram is a unit, so we're going to the U. 1, 2, 3. We went over 3 places to the right. So you're going to take your 809 and multiply it times 1,000 because 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. Moved over 1, 2, 3 place values. Our next one, and then you're going to write the answer up here. All right, 74 decimeters equals how many meters? So now I'm going to do it up top for this one. We're starting at the D for decimeter, and we're going to meters. A meter is a unit. It's really important that we're going to the U and not the M. This stands for millimeters. A meter is a unit, so we're only going over 1 to the right. So we're multiplying times 10 because there's 1 0 in 10. Your next one, liters to milliliters. You start at the unit and you go over to the M, milliliters. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to multiply it by 1,000. And then the last one, kilograms, start at the K, going over to grams, which is a unit. So you're going over 1, 2, 3. Again, you're multiplying times 1,000. So go ahead and solve for those ones. And your word problem. Beth had 1/4 box of candy. She ate 1/2 of the candy. What fraction of the whole box does she have left? So she ate 1/2 of 1/4. Your job is to multiply across 1 times 1, and then 2 times 4. And that will give you the fraction of the whole box that she has left. Go ahead and solve for that.